Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. If you are a new viewer, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell beside it so you never miss an upload from me. Also, give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what types of videos you guys want to see next. Now, as you can tell by the title of this video, this is going to be a skincare video. It is so early in the morning, y'all. It's like 7:30 and I'm getting ready to just really exfoliate my skin because I'm going to wear some makeup today, and my skin has just been breaking out and it's time for some exfoliation and some mask time. And I thought, why not just show them, what I do when my skin starts to break out and how I exfoliate my skin, etc, etc, etc. We're going to get into all of that in this video. But yeah, it's early as heck and I'm filming right now, but it's all good. And I do apologize if the lighting isn't up to par. It isn't the best quality. I am in the bathroom right now, so I did do the best that I could to get the lighting right for you guys, but I do apologize if the lighting is not that great. I'm so sorry. But if you guys can see what I'm doing, that's the only part that I care about. If you guys can see what I'm doing, you see the products that I'm using, that I'm showing you guys, and that's all that matters. Alright, you guys, so I don't want this intro to be super duper chit chatty. I always say that because y'all, when I get to talking, I just go, and then it becomes a ramble, and I don't want to do that. Alright, so let's go ahead and get to the video. Alright, you guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is take my scarf that I've had for a long time. Oh, raggedy, handy dandy scarf. Well, this is an oldie but a goodie right here. I've had this scarf for so long. I've done cut it up, made strings for my little natural puffs and everything. So we're gonna go ahead. Well, I'm gonna go ahead. Y'all not gonna do but I'm gonna go ahead and just tie my hair back so that my hair doesn't get too wet. Not stand the scarf in over my ears, so my ears are flopping out like this. They look really weird. Yeah. Alright, now that that is done, we're gonna go ahead and jump into cleansing the skin. Now, I'm going to be using the Murad Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser. They do have a bigger size. I don't use so much of this, so I just bought a smaller size because it lasts me a long time. So I just usually get the smaller ones. And like I said, this is the Murad Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser. It has 1.5% salicylic acid treatment, and that really helps with any breakouts that you may have, or people that have acne prone skin. So that is definitely one of the ingredients that I look for when I am purchasing skincare. That salicylic acid really saves the day for me. And this is the cleanser that I usually opt for when I'm breaking out. I am swapping between two cleansers right now, but this cleanser is the one that I use for like when my skin is breaking out and it's just doing its own thing. So I'm going to go ahead and start by cleansing my skin with this Murad cleanser. And what I like to do is dampen my face. I get my face a little damp first, and then I apply the product into the palm of my hand. I lather it up, and then I just go in and just massage the product into my hand. So I'm going to go ahead and cleanse my skin with this. Alright guys, so now that my skin is nice and cleansed, what I like to do is just pat it dry, leaving the skin a little damp, just getting rid of some of the excess water off my face, which is why I'm kind of talking a little fast so that my skin won't dry. Next, I'm going to go in with this Freeman. This is the charcoal and black sugar. It's a gel mask plus scrub, and I love this mask because it is a dual action mask, which means it serves as a gel mask and a scrub, so it exfoliates, and it also serves as a mask, so it really helps to really exfoliate the skin, and you can really get all of the benefits. So this is why I really love this mask. Now the reason that I leave my face a little bit damp is so that when I'm applying this mask, it doesn't feel harsh to the skin, and I can really just kind of work it in without it being applied to dry skin. So I like to have fairly damp skin when applying this mask. Now this mask you leave on your face for 5 to 7 minutes, and once the time goes by, you actually take some warm water onto your hands and you massage the mask, massage the scrub into your skin. Just massage it all over your skin, and that really helps to exfoliate and get rid of any dead skin cells that are on your skin. So that's one of the reasons why I really love this mask. I think it is so good. It really helps me when I'm breaking out and when my skin just needs a little bit extra TLC. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now before my face dries completely. Guys, so it is about actually 10 to 15 minutes later. I did set a timer and then I got distracted. Yeah, that's what happens when I'm doing my face mask. I get super duper distracted and my mind just gets on other things. So I'm actually getting ready to rinse this off, but before I rinse this off, you know, we're exfoliating the skin, so of course you cannot forget your lips. So what I'm going to take is this lip scrub. It's by Fizz and Bubble. It is the watermelon flavor. And I'll just take, like, it says to take a dime size. I take about a nickel size. And I just kind of rub it onto my skin until the scrub kind of, you know, turned into like a gel liquidy form. So I just continue to rub it across my lips. They say you can lick it off or you can just simply wipe it off. I just rinse it off with the rest of my exfoliator. So after I just kind of scrub my lips, I'm going to go in, as I was telling you guys before, and put some warm water on my hands and just kind of really massage this scrub in to really kind of work away any dead skin cells that may be lying on my face. So we're going to go ahead and get these lip scrubs and get this mask rinsed off. And that is pretty much it for the exfoliation part. After that, and you see how fresh and clean my skin and clear my skin looks? Like, this is why I exfoliate. This is why I do my mask, because it just really just kind of reaches down into my pores and just pulls everything out, gets rid of dead skin cells, just really goes beyond cleansing. Exfoliating really just goes beyond cleansing the skin. The skin is nice and soft and smooth and it looks good. So at this point, I usually just go in and I start applying like my serums and my moisturizer and all of that good jazz. So we're gonna go ahead and run through that really quickly. If you guys want an in-depth video about, you know, the toners and serums and stuff that I use, then we can definitely do that. But I'll just show you products that I use on an exfoliation day. So the first thing I'm going to do is go in with this mineral spring water mist, and it's by a brand Crop. I actually purchased this from TJ Maxx. I've never heard of Crop before, but I saw it and it's definitely like been hydrating my skin. So it's a product that I hope I can find again because I really like it, or just something, you know, very similar to that product. Next, I'm gonna go in with this Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Toner Serum, and this is by Provence Beauty. It's a natural vegan product, and I actually purchased this from TJ Maxx as well. I actually used about 3 pumps. I'm just going and just massage this into my skin. So this really has helped as far as like with moisturizing, hydrating my skin, and it's also made such a difference in my dark spots, because as you guys can see, like my dark spots have come a long way from what they used to be. My skincare journey is definitely still in progression. It is by no means where I want it to be, but every day I'm taking a step closer, and I'm finding products that I'm really beginning to love. So that's the plus. And after I apply that toner, I like to go in with this simple moisturizer, and I just take this and just massage it into my skin. I am out of eye cream. I love the Hyaluronic eye cream a lot. I also like the eye cream from the rose line. I think it's the rose. I think it's actually like a rose line, like the rose. Cause I'm not sure, but I like the Fresh Beauty eye cream. And within my moisturizer, I just take it and just kind of massage it all over to my skin. It goes down to when I get to my neck, just kind of go upwards. Going against gravity, because we don't want wrinkles. Next, one of the first places to show aging, and we don't want that. So I'm out of my eye cream, so I'm just going to use an eye serum. And it's an age defy dark circles and puffiness serum, skin nutrition. Just gonna take this and just go underneath my eyes. I don't feel like it. I don't know. I just don't feel like this has really been doing anything for my under eye areas. So I'm definitely gonna have to go, and I actually might do that today. Go purchase some of my more of the Hyaluronic eye cream. Next, I'm going with this Derma-E. This is a Radiant Glow face oil, and I love it so much because it hydrates my skin, and it also gives me like a nice, just like a glowy look throughout the day. And I just love it so much. And I don't use what they tell me to use. I just use how much of it that I want. And I just kind of massage this into the skin. If you guys notice, like, I apply the products on my skin for damp, it really helps to really just have all those products just really penetrate into the skin. It really helps them kind of just absorb. I can tell a difference from when I apply my products when my skin is completely dry versus when it's still like damp. That's why I apply the water mist first. It just kind of dampen up my skin a little bit more, and to really help the hydration just soak into my skin. I can definitely tell a difference. If you don't believe me, try it. But yeah, just kind of after this, just kind of push everything in. Just kind of tap. And then last but not least, like I said, lip care is also a part of skincare. I'm going to take this Vaseline Lip Therapy Rosy Lip Balm, and I'm going to apply this all over my lips. It makes my lips so nice and soft, and I just love it. And it smells good too. It smells like roses. Like, for real. Alright, y'all. And that is pretty much it. Usually after I exfoliate my skin, I just go ahead and start applying my makeup. I just kind of just mess around for a little bit, about 30 minutes or so, just kind of letting everything just kind of seep into my skin. Then I apply my makeup. I go eat breakfast at this point, or just do anything, you know, until I'm ready to begin getting ready or do my hair, you know, whatever it may be. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is how I exfoliate my skin. Everybody has their own skincare regimen. Everybody has their own products that they love. There are products that I still want to try, you know, that may do even much more greater for my skin. So you don't have to use the products that I use, but I just want to share with you guys the skincare process that I like to go through to make sure my skin is nice and exfoliated, and what's been, you know, helping me to clear up like my dark spots, and what helps me to control and manage breakouts, because I still do get get them. Everybody, you know, gets them. You may not be able to tell it because, you know, let's just face it, some people have really great skin, some people just don't. Some people, you know, don't have to take extra steps like others, but it's all about finding the products that works for you. Like, your skincare journey is your skincare journey. You have to figure out what works for you, because what works for me may not work for you, and what works for you may not work for me. So we're all different people. We all have different skin types. So just find some products that you really like, and if you're unsure, you know, go into Sephora and Ulta and ask, you know, ask some of the people that are working there. You know, they're there to guide you and to tell you about the different products. And Sephora definitely has, you know, some skincare experts in store that you can go in and ask questions to. They'll ask you about your skin combinations, what things are you using now, what are your biggest problem areas, what do you want to see, what difference do you want to see in your skin. And I think that is just super awesome. I definitely take advantage of that service. Every time I go into Sephora and I'm looking for new products, I always ask a skin expert, hey, this is what I'm seeing going on with my skin. I've been using this, I don't think this is working for me. What do you suggest? Or, you know, I say, you know, I'm really liking this, but I want to amp my skincare up a little bit more. So there are resources there for you to use, and if I were you guys, I would definitely go ahead and use them. But anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.